No, yeah, no.
Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at Sashiko stitching and what happens when your two rows of thread meet each other. So what we want to aim for is a nice sharp corner here and a space in the center of your stitching, so you don't want your stitching to overlap. So this is an example of what you don't want to go for. So this row of stitching here is sat on top of the row of stitching underneath, so this is what we want to avoid. See that it's crossing over in the back. So if it crosses over in the back, you are right. If it doesn't cross over in the back, then you've crossed over in the front and it did wrong. So we don't want this and we want this. So that's kind of what you want to go for. Nice sharp edges and threads that don't cross over each other when your rows of stitching meet each other. Okay, so I'm going to link all the other videos in the series in the description below for you to get started with your Sashiko today.